Alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, now I am going to conduct an agricultural studies class for the students of class 8, and our today's topic is chapter 2, lesson 4 to 8. So let's try to have our overview on these lessons. I have summarized the lesson and you will try to understand it. Okay? Dear students, this is lesson 4, management of dead animals, birds, fish. Okay? That means if any animal or bird or any fish dies, then how to manage it. Okay? First of all, you have to know it that it's better to remove that infected or affected animal, bird or fish as early as possible. Then disposal of dead animals, it should be far away from its residence and it should be buried in 1.2 meter in any 1.2 meter deep of the soil. Then disposal of dead birds, it should be in big holes of soil. Okay? Then disposal of dead fish, that means first of all we need to identify or we need to collect that fish by using nets, and we have to bury it at by using 3 feet hole, okay, of the soil. Then we have to use bleaching powder on that place so that its germs cannot spread. Then lesson 5, diversification of field crops. That means the objectives of crops diversification. That means what to do by the farmers. Okay, farmers income increases if any farmer do the diversification of fields, then it will increase the farmers income and the ecology of that field would be balanced. That means if farmer cultivate different products in different times on the same acre of land, by doing this farmers income will increase, the ecology of that soil will be balanced, new variety of crops would be invented, reduce crops production cost, it will reduce the cost, and if farmer face any problem, that problem also would be solved by the farmer. Then cropping pattern. Okay, it will depend on soil quality, water, then risk, crops, variety, cultivation methods, etc. By having an overall view of these qualities, cropping pattern held. Okay, then number 2, mixed and relay cropping. Dear friends, you are not workable about this term, relay cropping. Relay cropping means when the harvesting time of the main crop comes and before 1 week of harvesting of that main crops, if other crops are shown on that field, this is called relay cropping. The production of multiple crops together in same land is called mixed and relay cropping. Okay, also. Then zero tillage method, practiced in affected rice based cropping pattern. Lentil and maize are basically for this kind of crops method. Okay. Then relay cropping, cultivate legume before 1 week of the main crops, what I told you before. Okay, that is written here, and by doing this farmer can reduce labor and time also. Okay. Then number 5, proper utilization of resources. Dear students, before going to cultivate any crops, farmers need to utilize the resources. That means lands, fertility, or then the seed, then the irrigation system, then agricultural materials. Okay, these are called utilization of resources. If farmers are able to do so, then they will get more benefits. Lesson 6, use of diversification of field crops. Dear friends, throughout the year the crops are classified in 3 types: Rabi crops, Kharif 1 crops and Kharif 2 crops. Relay crops as tomato. Okay. Then cultivation of bitter gourd as relay crops with potato, and tomato with sugar cane. That means at the field of sugar cane one can cultivate tomato, and in the field of rice one can cultivate sesame. Okay. This was all about lesson 6, and now lesson 7, concept of crops rotation. Dear students, if farmer rotate the crops, then the soil's fertility would be good and its ecology also would be maintained. Crop rotation facilitates good condition of soil, good crops and high yield. Disease free, the crops would be disease free, and less fertilizer would be used here. Water also would be less in use. Okay, and by doing this, if farmer produce different products in same acre of land, and if that farmer have or has cattle, then the farmer would be able to manage the feeds of that cattle. Okay. This was all about lesson 7 and lesson 8, utilization of crops rotation. Farmers should have plan, that means which crops should be cultivated in the field in which period of time. He should have plan of cultivating crops. Then plot wise cultivation. If farmer separate his field in plot wise, it would be very much easier for him to cultivate that crops. Such kind of crops are wheat, jute, foxtail, millet, potato, vegetables, mung bean, sugar cane, rice, maize, etc. Dear friends, this was all about lesson 4 to 8. I hope you all got understand these lessons, and you will practice it from your textbook more and more. And you have homework number 6. 6, make 5 multiple choice questions from these lessons, and this is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.